I want to talk to you about clicking joints. Hi, I'm Lara, a physiotherapist. The habit of clicking your knuckles does not lead to arthritis, and the same is true for your other joints too. What you're actually hearing is air bubbles forming and collapsing within the joints. Have you ever wondered why you can't crack the same joint immediately? That's the 20-minute grace period for gas bubbles to dissolve back into the tissues. Painless clicking is considered normal and harmless. There's no conclusive evidence that joints cracking causes arthritis. However, if you experience painful clicking, swelling, or it's associated with a new injury, it is advisable to consult with a healthcare professional for further evaluation. The next time someone scolds you for cracking your knuckles, you can confidently tell them otherwise.